What's up, guys? Hope you guys are doing well today. So, today we are Tuesday, February 10. It is 11 right now. I had some stuff to do, but now I'm doing this recap. Today, I took two L's. The first setup was it was a very good setup, honestly, but it didn't play out. And the second setup, it wasn't really a setup, it was just kind of a meh trade, right? Now, I'm doing very good, so I should still stick and be disciplined and just take one trade. But anyway, first trade 500 like always, second trade 250, so we lost around 760. So yes, I could have not taken this $250 trade, but it didn't really matter. I thought that was a good setup and I took it, right? It wasn't very good, but it was, regardless. Um, Regardless, let's say tomorrow I win, so I'll be up 1k and every account will be basically back. Plus I can request 300, 300, actually not 300, 250, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's say tomorrow I get a 1 to 2, so I win. I could request a payout about 1.5k minus the fees, turn that into CAD, maybe a 2k payout. And all the accounts will be back. So that's why it's very nice to have a 2RR. Anyway, let me show you guys the execution. So right there was the first one and the second one. Now, regardless of what I did today was just a losing day and I'm okay with it, right? Even though I took another trade for 250, it really isn't that bad. So I marked the session highs and low on the higher time frame. What can I see? We are inside this 4-hour bullish fair value gap. Okay, perfect. Market open, we go all the way down 943, we sweep out London lows and Asia lows, so I can remove London lows. From there, I'm gonna show you guys why this setup was very nice. So what can I see? I can see we have a 1 minute bearish fair value gap, right? But what else can I see? I have a 1 minute bullish fair value gap. So what happened? 943, 44. 943, we close above with speed, above, what's it called? Asia lows, right? What can I see? This bearish fair value gap, we ended up inversing it, right? And not only that, we created a bullish one. Not only that, it's in my time to trade. So I jumped into a trade, stop loss right there, TP 1 to 2. But I ended up getting stopped out at 948. I didn't need any more confirmation. This was just beautiful. We inversed this, we reversed that, created a setup for me. That's it, right? So that was the first L. Very simple, but honestly a good setup, right? After that, I didn't see any trades. I mean, we had this fair value gap getting respected and all that, but I went about my day, done some stuff, then I came back. And I seen this trade. Let's remove this. So what did I see here? We have this same thing as this setup, right? We have an inverse right there. And we have this main fair value gap, right? Price shoots all the way down. Perfect. We ended up disrespecting this bullish fair value gap, right? And we created a bearish fair value gap aligned with the context, right? So from there, I was waiting. 10.18 I entered, because this is way too large if I enter like that. 10.18 I entered. Stop loss was right there. Honestly, I could have placed it right there, but yeah. Like I showed you guys in the picture, it was around 100 honestly, so something like that. But I got in somewhere like this. Regardless, ended up getting stopped out 10.31. Now, is the trade itself bad? Not really. I mean, it ended up playing out. But if only I had my stop loss a little bit higher, I would have won this trade. But, you know, I wasn't even supposed to take this trade, so that's why I only risked 250. Anyway, that was the trade recap for today. I think the video is gonna be a bit shorter, but it was that simple as that. As of right now, Monday I won, today I lost. Nothing I could have done, honestly. This setup was the main one and I just took it. But yeah, even though I was only risking 250 right there, I need to stop this bad habit for good, right? And just have a fixed risk. 500 on the day, that's it, right? That I'm allowed to risk. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Hopefully tomorrow I win, so the accounts are a bit back and I can request a 2k payout probably. As of those Tradeify right there, 1 2 3 4, two good trades and they'll be eligible so I can start getting payout on them. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys tomorrow.